When it comes to welding, we often think of workers holding welding torches, wearing a face mask to operate in complex environments. However, with the advancement of technology, the challenges faced by traditional manual welding are gradually emerging. High cost, low efficiency, difficulty in ensuring consistency and quality control, as well as safety risks and space constraints. Today we came to Robot Town, Hangzhou Smart Construction Robot Technology is a leading company in the field of welding. They have been committed to improving accurate and efficient welding solutions, help the development of the construction industry. Now let's take a deeper look at welding robots together. The emergence of welding robots not only improves production efficiency, more importantly, it ensures the stability and consistency of quality. Whether it is large-scale production or scenarios requiring high-quality welding, welding robots have obvious advantages. They accurately perform welding tasks, effectively improve production efficiency and quality level. At the scene, engineers use SynSmart's rugged flat plate to control welding robots. The welding robot can be easily controlled by software to achieve high-precision welding operations. This advanced control method not only improves the safety and stability of operation, but also greatly improves the accuracy and efficiency of welding. Ensure that the welding quality meets the standard. Through today's visit, we gained a deeper understanding of the critical role of welding robots in the construction industry. In the future, with the continuous innovation and development of technology, welding robots will continue to play an important role, bring greater benefits and value to the construction industry. What other industries would you like to see in action? Type in the comment section. I'll take you to watch it live next time.